We're just finishing up a Evinrude 115 that we built for a customer. This is the bottom half. This is the power head. And as you can see, we spent a lot of time making them look good. And a lot of people say, well, it doesn't make them run any better. And actually, when you really think about it, it does. Because it shows when you have something that people do a quality job, they make it look good. It means they took pride in their work, which is always important. If somebody takes pride in their work, it's usually good work. Also, the outside's nice and shiny. That's the part you see. But if you don't do a good job cleaning the inside of the motor, this is a cylinder head off the same motor. We're actually doing another one right after this. That goes right there. That's the part. Pistons are here, the blocks here, the cylinder head has a head gasket, which everybody kind of knows is a very, very critical part. And if you don't clean up the head gasket surfaces, it'll blow a head gasket again, and it'll cause it to fail. So this part, we're not even done cleaning it, has all been surfaced, just an initial surface. Then we've had it in the machine cleaning it. So if that part, even in a little nick that you can barely see, but you can pick it up with your fingernail, that head gasket eventually will blow. And they'll put water inside the engine and really damage it pretty drastically. So cosmetics are not only important to make a motor look good, but since while you're cleaning it and making sure all the paint's got to stick, you're looking at every square inch of this motor, so you're inspecting it like never before. So if you have somebody do work for you and the car comes back or the boat comes back and you know where they were, and they didn't put the extra effort to cleaning it off for you, it's not a good sign. So cosmetics are very important, not just for looks.